Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find virtual wallet address on Binance. As you know, virtual just got listed on Binance, and this is the chart. If you want to transfer your virtual from your wallet or another account to Binance account, you can follow this tutorial. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there's deposit option. We can click it, and then now you can search virtual and click this one. Then you can choose the network, which is there is Ethereum and Base. I will choose Ethereum network, and this is your wallet address. You can copy it or scan it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.